Robert, AKA the Tall Man here. We are at La Mesa RV today and in Port St. Lucie, Florida. So if you're in Port St. Lucie area, come on down to La Mesa RV. We're in their beautiful indoor facility, all air conditioned. Today, we're gonna look at a Beacon by Van Leigh, and this is the 41 FLB. All right, as always, we like to start outside and out front. Now, this has got two awnings, as you see over here, automatic, and it covers about 2/3 of the entire side, which is really neat. LED lights in there, as you can see, shining, okay? Now, there's a slide right up in the front, so you do have to duck a little bit. If you're a tall guy, right, you're gonna have to duck a little bit under here. So this is where your propane would be, and you could put a 30-pound tank in there. And as you also see, this is your level up automatic leveling system for leveling the coach. Okay, right, nice thick door slam latch. Now we get in here. I'm gonna do this with both hands at the same time. Ooh, look at this. Nice big storage. Now there is a light in there, but I'm not gonna crawl in there to reach it. These here are chairs. I'm assuming these are chairs for your kitchen. Look at this. This is actually carpeted. Awesome. Now there is a jack here for your levels, just in your automatic system, just in case of failure. You got emergency cutoffs. Beautiful storage, nice and big. Also, by the way, that's your Dirt Devil central vac. All right. Here is a little plug out here for plugging stuff in. Frameless windows, which is awesome. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, I wish you guys could be here and see it face to face. Now, what's this? Let's take a look at it. Here's the storage. Again, needs two hands. Sorry about the camera, gentlemen. Whoa, look at that. This whole area is all storage. Let's go to the back. I bet you can see it back there. Look at that. This whole thing is storage. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, look at this. So this whole side is storage all the way to the back, all the way to the front, right? And then up here through this bay, full pass-through bay. That is amazing. When you go to the back, there's this massive slide-out tray. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Holy Moses. You can put a lot of stuff in there. And then when you're done, you just push it and slide it all the way back in. All right, isn't that awesome? Wow. Now this is set up for your Furin backup camera. Sorry for the light, guys. When I look up, we are inside. All right, it does have your ladder to get to the roof. So full walk-on roof for inspections and stuff. Over here is your power, your 50 amp connection, and it is on a power reel, so you don't have to handle this big cable. These big 50 amp cables, they're pretty darn heavy. All you gotta do, press the button. And here is the other side of that storage, right? Huge. Now look at this. If you remember, there were 2 slides on the other side. There are 3 slides on this side. So this has 5 slides, all right? There's some nice wheels, little upgraded wheels. Westlake tires. This also has an upgraded suspension system by Road Armor. All right, now over here is your connection for your sewer. This is where you connect your pipe for dumping your black tank and gray tank. I'm assuming this is access to a refrigerator for winterizing. Back of your furnace and hot water heater. And this is the other side of that storage compartment, which you can see. Now here is your touch panel for your automatic leveling system, right there, which is nice, okay? Okay, this is your wet bay. And just like the other wet bays we talked about, it's got everything you need in here, right? You got your water filter with a spare filter already here. You got a little wash nozzle here, if you will. You can crank these in different ways to fill up things, your cable, your satellite, and you've got automatic push button dump. So you don't have to pull the handle, you just hit the button and it dumps for you. That's kind of neat. And this would be your other propane area. So you put your other propane tank there. So let's look at the numbers. Again, I can't read those, so we're just gonna hold that steady for you guys so you can check it out. Okay, so let's move forward. Nice storage area. Now this one, you do have to hook up to keep it up in the air. It doesn't have pistons on it. But if you want to install a generator in there, this is where your generator would go. Your batteries are over there. Your hydraulic tank is there for your level up system. And you actually have a surge guard built into the system, which is nice, okay? There's also upgraded pin box, the Rotor Flex. A little bit different than the other ones that we looked at, but it is an upgraded pin box. So let's go inside and check out this one. All right. Oh yeah, look at this one. This is your solid step. What I like about this, you see those steps there? Two. Right? Look at the top one. It's extra big. So you have really a nice landing space coming up here. And wow, you come right into the kitchen, right? That is your touch panel that operates the entire coach. So right when you come in, you want to turn everything on, push the slides out. It's all right there at your fingertips, which is great, okay? So we're right here into the kitchen. So we'll start over here. All right, you can see all the woodwork. All the lights, LED. Wow, that's beautiful. We're gonna get up there in a minute, aren't we? All right, so here's your kitchen dinette. And we saw the chairs that were underneath. So room for 4, which is nice. And again, you got a little side area up here to put things. Okay, you do have some power outlets, one down there and one on the other side, which is really neat. But again, why not use this area? Put some extra storage in there. I don't know, just thinking out loud. But that's nice. You do have your day-night roller shades. All right, so that day was down and then there's the night one right there for complete privacy. So let's look at the kitchen. Oh yeah, finally, someone who gets it. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. Here's a nice island. It's not huge, but since the sink is to one side, you have a lot of usable area over here. All right, this is how they should all be done. Now over here, on this side, there's kind of 2 coffee bar areas here. There's one here, and there's one here. Now on this one, yep, there is a plug up there. So yeah, you could put your coffee pot there, maybe a toaster, maybe over here you put an air fryer or something else, I don't know. But there is a ton of room in here. All the storage all right here. You got a food pantry right here. Then there's storage down beneath the sink, and again, a plug for plugging stuff up in here. And then you have all the storage all the way over here, right? Lots of storage. So this does have the Insignia residential stove. All right, so for you full-timers, you got 4 burners and full oven down there in the bottom. That's convection microwave up in the top. Full residential refrigerator. This is one of the bigger ones I've seen too. This is an LG, and you've got your ice and your water in the door. Huge. All right, is this any of this on slides? Nope, just seeing if that was a slide out or a pull out. All right, and oh yeah, look at this over here. What's this? All right, you know what time it is.
It's time for Thomas Toilet Test.
Okay, so Houston, you have a problem. I can't get myself in here. I'm sitting on the toilet the nice way, the right way, if you will, and yeah, this is not good. This would have to be the wife's bathroom, and I'm not sure she can even fit in there. Why don't you take a peek?
Okay.
We'll do a.
I think I'm okay. How do you close this? It's gotta be locked. There we go. Well,
I mean, you could.
I could.
I can't. You're. Okay, well. So you can see. Yeah, see, Lisa gives it a thumbs down too. So, I mean, you see the toilet's kind of in there cockeyed right in that little corner, and I understand why they put it there, but if they had twisted it this way, you would have fit. They would have had to move it just an inch this way maybe, and twisted it, and you would have had plenty of room. Now, I know why it is twisted this way. It's twisted this way because this is the washer and dryer area. And so this is where you put your washer and dryer. And I'm assuming that with the doors open and that toilet turned the right way, maybe there's not enough room. I don't know. Maybe you can't get in there. I don't know. But for a toilet, it does not pass the tall man test. All right, beautiful under counter-mounted sink. Again, nice. Nice. It's pretty tall. All right, plenty of space for storing all your unmentionable things that you store in bathrooms. All right, so let's go up to my favorite part of this RV. It is the front living room. Now look at this, guys. All right, there's not just one, not just two, but 3 seating areas. These first ones here, this is your recliners, and there's some USB plugs right there. Got a nice cup holder over here, USB plugs there, as well as power. And here you go. And again, another just big, beautiful TV. I'm guessing 65-ish to 70. Big fireplace underneath. There's a audio system already in here tied into the TV. Now, this is gonna pull out to make a bed, and that is gonna pull out to make a bed. And so you can sleep a lot of people in here. If you've been following us and watching our channel, we are considering a front living room model where we're gonna take this section here and turn it into a Murphy bed. So we have 2 unique sitting areas. Anyway, as you can see, back to the TV area, you got plenty of storage on the left, plenty of storage on the right, as well as underneath. So awesome. Now here's one thing I haven't mentioned in any of my reviews in a while because I haven't been looking up. But if you look up at the ceiling here, you see these air conditioning ducts. That is all they are. This is a whisper quiet air conditioning system. The air conditioning units are mounted on the roof and everything is completely ducted. So it's gonna be very, very quiet in here. All right, so you remember that huge storage area underneath? It's huge because the back bedroom is lifted up. So I'm really close to the ceiling up here, but I fit, it's fine, I'm not ducking, okay? So over here is your closet, which is nice. And since the washer and dryer is in the half bath, a little hidden storage there too. Since it's in your half bath, all of this back here is storage for you. So you're not losing any storage, okay? Queen size bed, I think that's a queen. Actually, that's a king, sorry. Nice king size bed. There are no nightstands to the left and right because it's a king, but you do have little ones right here, as well as power and charging on that side, and power and charging on this side. Now, when you're sitting on the bed, the TV is actually a little over to the right above the dresser. In fact, there's 2 more doors here. Yeah, lots of dresser space in here, right? Absolutely, it's nice. Lots of space. And then finally, this toilet, which I don't have to give this one the test. There's plenty of room between this one and the door. Don't what? Oh. Yo, yeah. Remember we were talking about head? That's a low door. Actually, I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm right there. I mean, I'm right there. It's tight. All right, bathroom. Double bowls. Under counter mounted. Nice. You got storage in 4 drawers, which is nice. Huge medicine chest. This whole wall is a mirror and storage. This is just awesome. I mean, lots of storage here. this is actually an automatic flush. It's not a foot flush. You just hit the button, okay? And last but not least, let's give this sucker a try. All right. Okay, now, as you see, it's a little tight up here. My head's in the bubble. It's hard. This is a little tight. Now, if I'm going to rinse, I could potentially, I could have some problems with this one. Again, I'm in between 6'4" and 6'5", call it 6'4.5". And so if you're anything shorter than I am, you'd probably have to be 6'2" to completely miss it, okay? It's very comfortable back here. And I'm walking back and forth as you see in the video, plenty of room here. But if I've got to rinse, or if I want to get close to the water, I can't. I have to do this. And if you don't remember, there's a screw right there. You will be bleeding and bleeding fast. Okay? Now they have to put it there. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but for a tall person, you see right where that screw is. If I'm not paying attention, I am right on that screw. All right, so for you tall people, unfortunately, the shower. All right, okay. So there you have it. A couple observations for me with this one. To me, I would call this very woody, right? Lots of wood grain. This isn't exactly my style. And it could be your style. And as I mentioned in the shower, it's uncomfortable. It's kind of dangerous for a tall person in there. You might, be bleeding. And the half bath doesn't fit. And so for me, this would not, I could not recommend this one for a tall person, okay? Again, over 6'2", 6'3". You'd have to come and check it out and do the same things we're doing. And this is why we're doing it. So guys, look, if you like the video, do us a big favor, smash that thumbs up button, right? Hit the subscribe at the same time. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us out a lot, it really does. For the people that have already subscribed and you're coming back, thank you so much for visiting with us today. We really do appreciate it. Glad to see you again. And for all you new subscribers, we'll see you on the next one. So until then, be safe.